Good evening, students. In my previous video, I have discussed about the condition of consistency and inconsistency of linear equation in two variable. And now I have told you that the next video I will show you some of the examples of these particular questions. So here we will discuss some of the problem based on the condition of consistency and inconsistency. Now let us say first question. For what value of k the given system of equation will have infinite number of solutions. What are the equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to k and k minus 1x plus k plus 2y is equal to 3k. As we discussed earlier also, whenever you are getting the equations, immediately convert into the standard form of linear equation into variable. What does it mean? That 2x plus 3y minus k is equal to 0 and k minus 1x plus k plus 2y minus 3k is equal to 0. After putting into the standard form, we can easily recognize what are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Now, A1 is your 2, A2 is your k minus 1, B1 is your 3 and B2 is your k plus 2, C1 is your minus k and C2 is your minus 3k. And what is the condition for infinitely many solution? So, for infinitely many solution, we have A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Let us substitute the values of A1, A2, that means 2 by k minus 1 is equal to 3 by k plus 2 is equal to minus k by minus 3k. Here you notice that there are three relations here, 1 and 2. If you take this together, one relation you will get. When you take this together, second relation you will get. When you take this and this together, third relation you will get. But you have to go for any one of the two. So what shall I do here? I will take here negative, negative cancel, k cancel. So this and this I'll take together. You can have 2 by k minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So k minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 7. If you are getting in the second relation the same value, means it is correct. Whatever the process you have done is 100% correct. So that is why you are asked to take two cases. But if suppose it is asked only 1 mark question, then one relation is enough to solve. But if it is more than 1 marks, you must take at least two relations. So now let us take this together. If 3 by k plus 2 is equal to 1 by 3, so perform cross multiplication, it will be k is equal to how much? 7. So did you see? Here is also 7, here is also 7. So if you are keeping the value of k here as 7, you will find that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, and hence it is giving as a this infinitely many solution. So this is the first question. Let us say the second question. Let us take another example. For what value of A and B, the given system of equation will have infinitely many solutions. What is the question is 2x plus ky, sorry, x plus 2y is equal to 1, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a plus b minus 2. Let us convert into the standard form. So x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, what is your a1 is 1, a2 is a minus b, b1 is 2, what is b2? A plus b, and what is c1? Minus 1, and c2 is minus a plus b minus 2. So for infinite number of solution, we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What is a1? 1 by a minus b, 2 by a plus b, and minus 1 by minus a plus b minus 2. In the previous question, we have only one variable, so you have an options to take only one relation. But in such cases, you have to take two cases. What are they? 1 by a minus b is equal to 2 by a plus b. So 2a minus 2b is equal to a plus b. So a is equal to 3b. Say equation number 1. And what is the second one? Second case, 2 by a plus b is equal to 1 by a plus b minus 2. Perform cross multiplication. 2a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 4. This is equation 2. Putting a from 1 in 2. Putting a from 1 in equation 2. What do you have? 3b plus b is equal to 4. 4b is equal to 4. Therefore, b is equal to 1. And this b you substitute in 1. Putting b in 1. Therefore, a is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So therefore, a is equal to 3. So this is the values of a and b. Now here is the third question. For what value of k the given system of equation will have unique solution, no solution, and then third one is there any value of k for which the system will have infinite number of solution. So first one is 2x plus ky minus 1 is equal to 0, first equation, and second equation 3x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. The first one is for unique solution. What do you have? You can have a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now a1 is 2, a2 is 3 is not equal to k by minus 5, and 3k is not equal to minus 10. So k is not equal to minus 10 by 3. So this is only value of k. Except k is equal to minus 10 by 3, you can have any value of k will have the unique solution. Second case, for no solution, what can you have? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. a1 is how much? 2 by 3. b1 is how much? k by minus 5 is not equal to minus 1 by minus 7. Cancel. So from this you find out the value of k, and then you compare from this whether the value of k whatever you have got is same or not. If it is not same, what does it mean? That it will give you the value of k which will have no solution. So 3k is equal to minus 10, k is equal to minus 10 by 3, and then k 7k is not equal to minus 1 by 5, k is not equal to minus 1 by 5. So you notice here k is this much and k is not equal to minus 1 by 5. So if k you putting here minus 10 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 5, is it true or not? Yes, it is true. That is why, what is the value of k? The value of k is equal to how much? Minus 10 by 3. And then we have the another one, third case. You are asked to check is there any value of k which will give you infinitely many solution or not. What is the third case? For infinitely many solution, you can have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So 2 by 3 is equal to k by minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by minus 7. From this you get the value of k is equal to minus 10 by 3. From this you get the value of k is equal to how much? Minus 5 by 7. Do you find the value of k whatever you have got is same? No. So there no, both values are not same. So therefore there is no such value of k for which it has infinite number of solution. Okay, thank you.